If you've ordered a laptop for yourself recently through our Tech for Home, TELUS Internet for Good, or Connecting Families Initiative programs, more on that below, then you probably got yourself one of these, the HP ProBook 640G3. If you're ever looking to replace the battery, or upgrade or replace the RAM or storage drive in this, you can actually do that yourself, just as long as you've got a plain old Phillips head screwdriver and something for leverage, ideally a guitar pick or something like that. I'll show you how. Step 1, you just have to remove 8 screws from the back of the laptop. And now that those 8 screws are out, you can use your leveraging tool, ideally not your fingernails, to pry off the back plate. And just like that, we're on the inside of the laptop. Here's how to remove the RAM. Next, the battery. And finally, your data storage drive. And that's that. Here's how to put it all back together. Now just put in the rest of the screws, and you're all done.